Oh, that is a biggie. First big one from the day. Number 2 from a big man of Badiyadika. That is powerfully struck. But not with a clever pass. No, this time little bit distance. That is in the air. Tuju on air. Sharon comes underneath and taken that one. It's a biggie. It's very, very big wicket. Rising fingers. That was a trap. Coming with around the wicket, catches the goal and fielder comes and oh, that one just way outside. No, 4 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിച്ചപ്പോൾ 34 റൺസിന് 1 എന്ന നിലയിൽ. That is weighted and shifted over cow corner for half a dozen. Tried again, missed by someone in the hands of the best pair of hands. Decent catch that. Oh, that is the entry announcing his arrival with a wonderful half a dozen. And Jack says hi. മികച്ച തുടക്കം നൽകിയിരിക്കുന്നു. Ready with the first over for the team. Rising Star, the defending champions. Sharon played it towards the offside and opened the scorecard. And straight away with a single Sharon off the mark. That is a big shot, the very first ball. He clears the distance. That is a big swing and big man is on air. Once and taken that one successfully. That is a big shot and fielder in right place. Really good catch. That was a good quality shot. Comes with the final over from the innings number 2. Start with a good bouncer. Is carrying really well the pace. Generating the pace by a fast bowler. Lubiana offer. Subair Mullaria. Oh, bowled him! Subair Mullaria. That's in the air. And that is out of the ground. And that is a sixer. Couch Lisbon Arts and Sports ക്ലബിനോട് ചേർന്ന് നിന്ന ഒരു വ്യക്തിത്വം ഈ ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ഒരുക്കുന്നതിലും ഈ ടൂർണമെന്റിൽ ഇത്രയും മനോഹരമായ ഒരു പിച്ച് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഒരുക്കി തന്ന ഒരു ക്യൂറേറ്റർ കൂടിയാണ് അനീഫ് ഇച്ച. And that's it from the match. Once again the team Rising Star, the defending champions, മറ്റൊരു മത്സരം കൂടി വിജയിക്കുകയാണ്. Congratulations.